Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Manika Creation. I want to give you some sneak peek about my channel. I am Jyotipal, mother of two cute daughters. So basically this channel is all about stitching related videos and customized dresses, as I love creating costumes for my daughters. I have made twinning costumes also, I have made customized costumes also. I love doing DIY stuffs also, so you'll find amazing DIY stuff on my channel, and you will find reuse projects also with some old sarees. So basically if you are interested in any kind of stitching, any kind of DIY stuff, or if you are interested in some fun videos also, because I love posting about my daughters, so please do subscribe to my channel and show some love. Without much ado, let's get started. Today we are going to make an organizer using the carton box and two empty containers with some wrapping paper. Firstly, I will measure sides of the box and cut paper strips accordingly. And then I am going to use this carton piece to make partition to keep my stuff. And I am folding these sides in Z form to make it more sturdy. And as I will stick it to the sides so that it will become more stronger and it will last longer. Right now it is little bit extra, so I am chopping it off. This kind of organizers are very easy to make and they are very convenient to use. And moreover, you can use your waste products as to make your house more organized. So I am cutting 3 strips of the paper and I am sticking it to the cardboard. And here comes my daughter to help me, and she loves doing craft work. So now I am going to cover all the sides properly with paper. And I took a little extra paper for both the bottom part and the top part to fold it inwards, and then it will be concealed properly. So here I am pasting the extra strip. This organizer I am making it for my pooja room to keep my stuff in it, and here I am making a cut in the 4 corners so that I can stick it without an issue. Now see, you can see the edges are looking more clean and finished now. And we will do the same for the upper top part. Now this is done. Now we are going to cover up the inside part with the same strips. And these strips I have cut it a little shorter in width because we don't need it to cover outside. So here I am using it according to the need. Now we are going to stick the bottom and the base portion for both inside and out. Now we will stick our paper to give it a more finished look. Same we will do from inside also. And now we will cover this Z-shaped partition, and I am going to apply this glue all over the place so that it will stick it nicely. And here my partition is ready to keep my stuff. Now I am going to cover the 2 boxes and label them. Here I am not covering it whole, I am just covering the outer corner and the top part. This is also done. Now we will label it, whatever the stuff I am going to keep inside it. So this is very easy to make. You just have to measure the strips and then you have to just stick it. Now I am arranging my things to keep it inside. I have only made one partition in the cardboard box, but you can make how much you want. Here also I have used one partition to keep my two wicks separately. And here is my stuff. And these organizers I have made it in the past. For this one is for my skincare products and makeup products. I have made separate partitions according to my need. And this one is for my study table. This small partition you can keep pencil, eraser, and whatever the things you like. So here is the look how you can keep all your stuff and it will not scatter here and there. Thanks for watching.